Writing is an integral part of our lives. We write papers, emails, texts, notes, books, and many more. Often, our writing goes where we cannot. Thus, it is important that we write well so our ideas are presented in the best light. Hello, my name is Thelma, and today's digital adventure is centered on a writing website called After the Deadline. Now, to go to After the Deadline, you would need to type in afterthedeadline.com into your web browser and to take you to this website. This is the initial interface of the website. Okay. Now, After the Deadline website uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing technology to identify writing errors and make suggestions for rectification. This writing aid can be used as a plugin, add-on, or extension for different web platforms and is also available on WordPress. So using Polish My Writing or After the Deadline website is very easy. All you need to do is go to the demonstration tab, which I've clicked here, and then paste a writing sample in the box provided and click Check Writing. Almost immediately, one will receive feedback. Clicking on the underlined words in your writing feedback brings up a pop-up box that tells you the nature of your writing error and some options for correction. Let me demonstrate it to you. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my writing sample from a Word document. So I'm pasting it. As you can see, this is my writing sample. I click check writing and almost immediately you see that I have gotten two words underlined. And so the first word, the first, should I say construction or yeah, construction which has been underlined was created. Clicking on it shows that it is a passive voice. It has identified it as passive voice. In order to address this, they would want me to change it and make it more of an active voice. You see, this word here, explain. Clicking on explain means that they are going to further explain what a passive voice is. For example, if I click on explain, you have this pop-up which comes up and then it shows me passive voice. It describes or explains what passive voice is. Okay, and then it shows me how a passive construction looks like and what I can do to rectify the passive construction. So I'm going to X out of this, and then when I click back on it, you see that I also have the option of ignoring the suggestion or ignoring everything. I am going to leave it at that. Now we're going to click on the next underlined word, which is provide. It's seen provide as a complex expression. It gives me other options that I could use or other less complex words that I could use, like give or offer. Once again, you know, if I click on explain, it's going to have the pop-up which will tell me, which will explain or give further explanation to why it identifies the underlined word as a complex expression. Once again, I also have the option of ignoring the suggestion or ignoring all. So as you can see, this website is very good for those who need, actually not for those who need, for everybody, because sometimes we write and because we are so close to our writing, we fail to see certain errors that we make in our writing. And if we do not have the time to go to a writing center or have somebody read over our work for us, then I believe this website is a very good resource to have under our belt. I hope that you would take time to explore this website and get the maximum benefit from it. Thank you so much for accompanying me on this digital adventure. Once again, my name is Thelma, and see you on the next digital adventure. Bye.